Hi guys, my name's Oliver and I'm going to solve this mixed up Rubik's Cube behind my back, and I'm just going to show you that it's mixed up. So now I'm going to take it behind my back. Now I'm going to start trying to solve it. Just start to feel the edges, rotate a little bit. Yep, feeling it. Yep. No. Yep, I think that's about right. Keep going here. Turn this one. Turn the top one, there we go. Change this one around. Starting to get it back together, I feel like it. No, that's not right, no. Yeah, that's better, yeah. Yeah, that's a lot, yeah. Yeah, getting it back together. Feeling it. Getting the algorithm down. Yeah, no, that wasn't right, no. Yeah, getting close. Feel as if I'm getting very close to it. This Rubik's Cube is very sticky, isn't it? I'm getting very close. Feel like it. No, that's not. No. Switch this one